Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Samsung Galaxy A33. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. And now you can finally select receive on Samsung and send on Oppo. Then tap on all of those dots on Oppo smartphone and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. For example, that one apparently. Okay, so I will go with that one, choose send and click on got it. Over here on Samsung, choose no thanks, click on close this window, and as you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and choose receive. Now, after a literally couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!